Hey guys, it's Christy with Sunless. Today I'm going to show you how to fold the tent. It's pretty simple once you understand the functionality. So here it is. It's just 3 simple steps. The first thing is to fold the top. We want it to fold it into a flat pancake. So simply just bend that top. And like I said, the bottom will usually follow once you get the top started. You could also kick it in if you need to, and you're going to get it to this flat stage like this. At this point, it's very important to butt it up against something and not try to fight the tent in the air. Even if you just have your turbine to use, butt it up against something, okay? At this point, you're going to want to fold it about halfway down, simply like this. And then the function is to basically tuck this front part all the way in. Once it does that, it starts folding down. If you let it go like this, it's never going to fold, okay? This top part has to get tucked. Then we're gonna put it in our nice carry bag. I like to keep it on the ground and then just slip it in. You can throw your hose and the dirty towels in here and then you're on your way.